Columbia mobilized 5 heavy-lift helicopters in support of TRANSCOM in less than 28 days after notification and were fully operational within 18 hours of arriving at Bagram Airfield. From June 2011 through December 2015, Columbia has flown in excess of 67,200 sorties, 33,150 hours, carried over 202,000 passengers, and delivered greater than 17,600 tons of cargo. Since arriving in the Afghanistan area of responsibility, Columbia's 5 aircraft have averaged greater than 173.9 hours each month, every month, at an operational readiness and availability rate of greater than 93%. Of note, the BV-107 high flight hour month was 273.1 hours, and the BV-234 high flight hour month was 239.1 hours. Columbia Helicopters, the powerful difference.